Gonna go wash it? Go wash the cup. All clean. Here. Where's the cereal? Can I have some cereal in the cup? Okay, pour it in. Can I have a spoon to eat my cereal? Thank you. Here, you take a bite. You take a bite. Okay, all done. Can you go wash it? All clean? All done? Oh, thank you. Do you want some? Is that a cup? Can I have some juice?
Nope.
Where's the juice? I think it's over there, Zebby. I think it was over there. Where's the juice? Oh, there's the juice. You found it. Okay, can I have some? Uh-oh. Okay, shh. Okay, I'm going to drink it. Go, go, go. Do you want to drink? Is that good? Can you go wash it? All clean.